Honestly, when we were kids, we were both tomboys, played every single sport, so the makeup thing didn't come till way later.
They know, 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 they know.
Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be turning my little sister into me. This is my sister Stephanie.
Hi.
She also has her own channel, which I will link below, her family channel.
Brand Party at 5. Make sure you subscribe.
Today she finally got her nails done. She hasn't got them done in a while. But if you're turning into me, you need your nails done. You need the whole thing done. So I'm just going to do her hair. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm going to do something that I would actually wear. And since her hair is natural, I'm just going to do like a style I would do for my natural hair if I was just going to get ready to go out right now or something like that. We're going to start with the hair. Then we're going to move on to the makeup. So stay tuned. Okay, so I finished her hair, finished her makeup, she changed her clothes, but there's one thing that would make her me. Okay, so let's do it. So how do you like the look?
I actually like it. I love it, actually. I love it.
Do you think you could do this every day?
No. I have 3 kids.
Yummy. You can hear the kids in the background.
Yeah. I can do some of the tricks that you did, like the highlighting. I don't know about the mole. That's your look. I don't think I can pull that off, but definitely like how you made my eyes brighter and the lashes were a good look, and the lip color. So I can definitely do that.
Okay, well, another me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me turning my little sister into me. Honestly, when we were kids, we were both tomboys, played every single sport, so the makeup thing didn't come till way later. She never really got into it, but I
So are you saying I'm
did.
still a tomboy? Honestly, it's okay, a little bit, just a little bit.
I live the glam. Okay, I have my off days, but I like to be glamorous.
But it's crazy because as kids, she would
I
not.
look like a boy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.